Hi guys, I'm actually here at Colonial Country Club. I just walked inside to take a look at the clubhouse before the renovation. Honestly, this place is beautiful. So I'm going to show you a little bit about it, but I did pick up the brochures that say about the renovation, and I'm going to post some info on it and the photos. Basically, you know, the prices are going to go up, so got to get in here while the prices are before the renovation. Take a look at this place. This is the before. I'm not going to walk too far in, but it is beautiful and so peaceful. So I see you guys at my open house at 1 o'clock today. Thank you.